No, because I have 4 minutes.
Enjoy. Bye-bye. Obviously.
I'm a married woman that lives here.
Wow. Alright, I got my coffee. I'm just gonna go take a very short walk because I actually have a meeting in like 15 minutes. So I'm just gonna do a quick walk around the block, hoping to see a girl that is approachable. So I get the first one out of the way for today. And then I'm gonna have like 2 hours of team meetings and then can hit the streets again. Hola. Hi. Don't be scared. You look wonderful and confused. I just want to say hi. Do you speak English or Spanish?
Spanish.
Okay. ¿Mi Instagram?
No, lo siento.
Está bien, papá. Hola, sorry. Hi.
Hi.
Excuse me. You look interesting.
Okay, thank you.
Where are you from?
I'm from Montenegro.
Okay. I know it's a bit strange. You seem to be in a rush to your language class.
Yes.
Okay. You're trying to learn Spanish here?
Yeah.
I understand.
I just started.
How is it going?
Pretty good, I would say.
I think maybe Barcelona is a difficult place because people speak English as well.
Yeah.
So you're not like forced to learn.
Yeah.
Anyway, I just arrived a couple days ago.
And where are you from?
I'm from Austria,
Oh.
but I don't live in Austria anymore.
Oh.
I work online, so I can kind of choose where I want to be, and now I want to be here.
And you moved to here?
For a couple months, we'll see how it goes. When is your class? Are you in a rush?
Yes, I'm in a rush.
Okay, what's your name? What's your name? Okay, my name is Alex.
Okay, nice to meet you.
I don't want to keep you up for too long.
Yeah.
So you look like a good student. So I don't
Yeah,
want you to be
maybe.
late.
I don't know.
Do you want to meet up another time and chat?
Yeah. Why not?
Do you have WhatsApp?
Yeah, sure.
Sounds good.
You can give me your phone number. You have local one.
No, I actually my WhatsApp is Austrian. I have all sorts of
Okay.
numbers. When did you arrive in Barcelona?
7 months ago. Yeah.
Oh, okay. So you got a job here, you settled down here, everything.
No, I don't have a permission to work here.
You don't?
Yeah. I just submitted my documents to get permission.
Criminal.
So yeah, and I have been waiting for it. So
Cool.
I
Hi.
texted you.
Perfect.
Yeah.
All
Okay,
right, Kate.
See you. Bye.
Bye-bye. All right, first set of the day with cameras. I did a bunch before. As I said, girl from, was she Montenegro? From somewhere. On her way to language class, in a rush, not much time. Still tried to share a little bit. My opener was not, very creative. You look interesting. Because she didn't look cute. She didn't look like beautiful. She didn't look gorgeous. So it was just like, at least interesting. And dressed like a boy, which sometimes I like when they're really beautiful in the face. My name is Alex. I just saw you. I was walking down the street. I was like,
thanks.
say hi.
No, I was just going. I'm just out of work right now, so
Okay, is it a half-finished apple?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
I'm trying to eat healthy,
That's
but
cool.
Yeah. I think I look like a mess today.
No, you
That's what I
don't.
was thinking, but thank
Oh,
you.
you like the flower. It's good.
Thank
Good
you.
figure. What is your work?
I'm a lawyer. So I work in a law firm.
What type of law?
I'm doing family law.
It's when you get a divorce and stuff?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, basically, yeah.
Out of personal interest? Like, did your parents get divorced? Or?
No.
Okay.
No. Maybe they should. I have been telling them to, but they are not.
I guess old people are afraid to start something new.
Yeah.
More than us young people who are kind of used to change.
We work mentally different. I mean, I think we see divorce less. I don't know.
Are you nervous?
Yeah, no, I wasn't expecting anything. I mean, I was just walking.
I'm nice, don't worry, you don't have to be nervous.
No.
I'm not a tourist, I'm not like,
Yeah. Oh, that's good.
I live nowhere and everywhere.
I would love to do this.
Come with me.
Yeah, but I will go to Praga, like this Thursday actually.
Prague.
Yeah.
You went yesterday? Okay, what's exciting about your job?
Exciting. Every case is different.
Yeah.
That's not boring at all. I know, for example, my mother is a teacher, so for me it's boring because every day she
Yeah.
explains the same thing. Not every day, but every year.
Especially to people who don't want to listen.
The
That's
high
the
school
tough
teacher,
part of
so
job,
for
right?
me, no. So that's what's exciting. Everything else is problematic.
At least it's easier to give advice to other people than to yourself,
Yeah.
I think.
I figured it.
I'm really good at telling other people what to do, and I'm often not doing it
It's fine.
myself. I think it's normal. Okay, what's your name? Alex. Oh wait, you can do a fist bump if you want.
Oh, it was nice.
Yes.
I don't know. It didn't happen like in my life, so
Oh really?
yeah.
That is interesting. How old are you?
Yeah, 24.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you're leaving on, today is Tuesday, you're
Yeah.
leaving on Thursday for a bit, but then you're back.
Yeah, on Friday.
Okay, you want to get a drink tomorrow?
Tomorrow?
Yeah,
Maybe Monday would be better if you're still here.
I am, yeah.
Just because tomorrow I will be planning everything.
Yeah.
But
You
it's
seem
fine.
very organized, you want to make
I
sure.
I
Okay.
am. Yeah, but Monday is fine.
Okay, I'll take your WhatsApp, I'll text you.
Okay. I can. I'm still. Okay.
How much does a divorce cost?
What?
How much does a divorce
Oh.
cost for you when I do one with you?
I mean,
Like when I hire you for one.
okay, it's 1,000. So it's
One.
It's
One mil?
yeah. Me.
Oh, that's cheap.
Tip? Okay. Yeah, I
That's what-
don't. Everything is not for me, so I just get a little bit
Oh,
of. Yeah.
I mean
no.
the whole thing. Like,
Yeah, no.
okay, you have heavy bags. I'll let you go.
Yeah.
Very nice to meet
Okay,
you.
thank
Bye.
you. Bye.
See you soon. Bye.
See you.
Yo, real quick. Obviously, we had to cut down this interaction a bit shorter. First of all, to keep it entertaining, and second of all, to not be taken down by YouTube, because YouTube is not a big fan of infill videos. But I did analyze the whole interaction in another video that is hidden on my portal that you can get access to right now for free. All you need to do is click the link below and you can watch the whole thing. So if you're a guy who's not watching those, videos purely out of entertainment, but you actually want to learn how to approach, how to have interactions that lead to dates, that lead to sexual experiences, and so on, click below and get access now. Back to the video. Well, madame. Looks great on camera. Hello.
Sorry.
Just like doing a weird S around you, which looked strange. What's up? You look very elegant.
Thank you, but I have to go.
You have to go? Can I walk with you 1 minute?
No.
Baka, see you. Thanks God. So you look good. I wanted to meet you.
Thank you. Very much.
Where are you from?
I'm from Colombia.
I arrived yesterday. I'm just meeting
Me
my
too.
friends later.
That's nice. Yeah, I mean, I haven't been here for six months because I was doing my exchange.
You exchanged?
Yes, because I study still. So I was doing my exchange with my university, and I'm only staying here for 2 days, and I'm leaving tomorrow.
No.
Yeah.
Wait, where did you go and where will you
I
go?
was doing my exchange in Milan,
Okay.
and I'm going back to Milan because I failed some classes, so I still have to.
You failed some class?
Yes, so I still have to keep studying there, and yeah, so that's my plan now.
What made you fail?
I never went to class.
That's probably one reason. Wait.
Yeah, I was
in the shade.
partying a lot, so
You like partying?
yeah, so that's why I didn't go to class and I failed. So
I guess, whatever.
yeah, I mean I can retake it 3 times.
Okay.
So
Yeah, to be honest, I failed. I don't even remember how many classes I failed, but if you're in the mindset of I can just do it again, and I'm like, probably you have this inner confidence that you will do it at least
yeah,
the
it's just
second or
like,
third time.
I don't care. And last year I also failed classes, so it's fine. Now I don't care. I'm about to graduate, so I can just do it fast.
Bad party girl.
Yeah.
How old are you?
I'm 20.
All right.
And you?
29.
Okay.
Is that old?
Well, my old sister is 24, so you know.
How old is your ex-boyfriend?
My ex-boyfriend,
Yeah.
he's 26.
So
Yeah.
so you're leaving tomorrow.
Yes, tomorrow in the morning. Yes.
When can we meet and have a drink?
Oh, I would say today, but I'm meeting my friends because I haven't seen them in 6 months.
I'm Alex, by the way.
Yes.
Beautiful name.
Thank you.
It's like fits the dress for some reason. I don't know why I think like that. That's cool. We should still just be friends on Instagram or something.
Sure, I can follow.
You can add me.
Yeah.
So you're going for a drink with your friends?
Yeah, I'm gonna party with them.
Clubs or bars or pubs?
I have no idea what we're doing, but they're taking me somewhere.
All right.
So
Maybe I'll be out with my friends later. To be honest, I'm not a big party guy anymore because I'm 29 now. Those days are over.
Yeah.
I understand. During your time, it was different.
yeah, I get that. My sister's boyfriend is the same.
I'm so boring now.
Hey, it's
like
fine.
3 drinks and I'm like, oh, what did I do?
It's fine. That's being old.
Yeah, thank you.
You're welcome.
All right, you're lovely.
Thank you.
See you
Thank you. Have
around.
a good
Have
day.
fun. Bye bye. She was lovely, and you know that's often how it goes. Like she just came here. She's leaving tomorrow. She was clearly into me. She like gave me a hug in the end, which I like invited her into. Usually I'm pretty careful with like touching too early. I think it has more risk than benefit. But in this one I just felt good and she sunk into me. That's nice, but she's leaving tomorrow. Not much I can do. You know, if I really want to push it, I could like try to assemble guys and another girl and go out with her and meet there, but you know, that's not the game I'm playing anymore, really. Then, if you look closely on that one, if you re-watch it, I was very still and kind of the first times I could really like put pressure on her with the topics of bad student and you know, how dare you and da-da-da. But then I relate later by saying, yeah, I was not a great student either. I failed some classes as well. I get you, don't worry. Yeah, to be honest, I failed. I don't even remember how many classes I failed. And we kind of related on that vibe and it made her a little nervous and giggly and then I released the pressure. So it was a good example in that one of me putting pressure and then releasing the pressure. In other news, our lovely lady from the train station responded like for sure confirming that we're gonna meet today at 7, which is we're gonna meet in 1 hour and 30 minutes. Hello, hola, sorry, hi, it's green. You look awesome, amazing,
thank
so
you.
sexy.
All right. I mean, I don't know what to say. Thanks. You don't look
worry.
bad either. You're
Thank you. What's your name? Okay, let's stand here a little bit, just 1 second before we get hit by a car.
Okay.
Out of nervous. Where are you from?
From Kiev.
Kiev.
Yeah, you?
You look like half Latin, but also
I know,
have
because
this.
I'm very tan, but that's not my normal color.
Do you go to those studios or you do it on the beach?
So
Ah.
in these like from like male candidates happen. Where are you from?
Austria.
Ah, that's cool.
I don't live there anymore. My parents are from there. I go there like twice a year.
And you live here now?
Yeah, for 2 months I'm gonna stay here.
That's cool.
Got some work online, some clients here.
Cool.
What are you doing here?
Well, I'm going home now because I'm meeting a friend. So I just came from work right now, literally. I can give you my number if you want to.
Give me your number.
Even in a right. Well, my
Give me-
Instagram.
Yes. I'll text my Instagram on WhatsApp, so you
Okay.
can give me your WhatsApp.
My
You know.
WhatsApp 722.
Let's have a drink or whatever one day.
Yeah, I'm in a detox period.
We chill,
now,
we
but
chill. Detox. Let's have a juice. Detox
It's
juice.
only for a week.
Change your shots.
Yeah.
Okay.
Anyways, well,
careful.
nice to meet you
Bye.
and see you soon, hopefully.
Bye bye. Excuse me, miss. Hello. Are you married or something?
Yeah.
Oh, you are.
Yeah.
I saw it in your eyes. You're like, how do I tell him?
Thank you a lot.
Beautiful.
Yes, thank you. You make my day.
That's good.
Yeah,
I love making.
Because I'm
someone-
really upset about some situation, and you said it, I feel myself.
What is
better.
it? Business or relationship?
Yes, it's business.
Okay. Did you
Yeah.
lose money?
Huh?
Did you lose money or something?
No. I lose time.
Oh, even
Yes.
worse.
It costs more.
Hmm.
If it was money, it'd be easy.
Yeah.
But it's my time.
Okay.
Wow. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Beautiful
Bye.
eyes. Bye. Another cute one. It's interesting once I get into the like calm flow, which takes a while. I get better and better at putting pressure on girls. Obviously some are easier, some are harder. And you never know which one. That's the kind of thing, you know, like you think a girl would react in a certain way and then she reacts totally different many times, you know. This could have been her just being like, oh, thanks, bye, but you never know. Instead, she was charmed, she loved it, and I can really put pressure on her, I can really get to know her, I can share things about myself, not just the basics of I'm here and this, but how I see the world, why I do certain things, to kind of anchor me in her memory. Also, the good conversation and good reaction she gave, and the fact that she was like clearly nervous and charmed, gave me the option to already make plans, right? For the challenge, yeah, sure, but whatever. But yeah, why not meet tomorrow? You know, the vibe is good. Let's keep it going. Let's not. I don't need my Instagram for girls like this. You know, I'm very like talking about Instagram to seduce girls slowly. Like I did all the seduction here. I don't need more. She loves me. She's happy. She's charmed. She's saying, "Oh, Monday is better than this." She wants to see me. I don't need to do the whole Instagram thing, so I'd rather do WhatsApp there. All right, I'm in a taxi now. Got like 15 minutes left before I meet the girl. Hope she shows up. All right, just took a taxi back to the train station where it all started. About 27 hours later, about to meet that girl if she shows up, but I'm pretty confident she will. And yeah, it's kind of interesting to see, hey, what can you make happen as a total stranger in a new city in 27 hours, you know, just going on some walks. That's really what I did. I went on some walks, I checked out some watch shops, I met a friend from town. The rest of the day I was working at home, and I still literally, I'm about to meet a girl on a date. 2 more girls agreed to meet me at the end of the weekend. Another girl agreed to meet me on Monday. That's like in 6 days. And other girls with boyfriends said thank you, or hey, you're a cool guy, or I'm happy to meet you as a friend, you know. So it's kind of crazy to see what is possible within 27 hours if you know how this works, if you're calibrated, and if you do it at the end of the day. You have to do it, you know. You saw my approaches are not crazy flashy or special. I don't use any leverage. I dress normal, you know. I don't mention that I'm some star, or I don't use any crazy Instagram. It's just my basic photos from traveling for the last couple of years. Obviously I had to put effort into that a little bit, but you can too. I do have a guide. Click down there and you will get a 3-part series for free. Just put your email in and I'll advise you how to quickly build an Instagram like that. And that's pretty much it. So let's see if she shows up. If you want to book training, by the way, there's another link. You can do online mentoring with me. You can do one-on-one live training with me. There's many options. So let's go and meet this girl. Yo tengo hambre, ¿ti? This was part 2 of the 48-hour challenge. I hope you enjoyed. It was fun to make and was successful at the end. If you have any ideas of what video challenges I could do next, please comment below and subscribe. Appreciate it. Now, if you are a guy who doesn't just wanna watch those videos for entertainment and is actually interested in improving his skills with girls, you are at the right place. You can do one-on-one training with me live or online. And if you don't want to commit to anything yet, click below. I prepared a free seduction guide, free infields that I show in full length, plus analyze the whole thing. All you have to do is click below, put your email in, and you have it in your inbox. See you in the next video.